Festive season is around us, but before you book your Christmas or New Year plans, I have it all covered for you about where are restrictions that you could possibly avoid. Listen, beginning first with Mumbai city, because Maharashtra is reporting the highest number. Section 144 has been imposed in Mumbai till 31st December, which means big gatherings will not be allowed. No big events will be allowed in Mumbai for the Christmas or even the New Year's Eve. What does that mean? No big party, no big gathering will be allowed even at the Mumbai beaches that have otherwise been crowded at this time of the year. What about national capital Delhi, which is closely following Mumbai? COVID curbs have been extended till 31st December. Ban in Delhi will continue on social and cultural gatherings. Only 50% seating capacity will be allowed in bars and restaurants in Mumbai. Even the state of Gujarat has decided to extend its night curfew in 8 cities. COVID curbs have been extended till December 31st in the state of Gujarat. And remember, all this one by one, all cities are only pushing for further restrictions to avoid heightened numbers of the Omicron variant. Take a look now, the ground status in Mumbai. My colleague sent us this report on how Mumbai increasing curbs with Section 144 in the city. Take a look.
Definitely Christmas and New Year is the time when we do the maximum business of the year. But due to the spread of Omicron variant of coronavirus, we have received government guidelines and it is a collective responsibility. We intend to follow each and every single guideline given by the government.
First, Section 144 was imposed in the city till the midnight of 31st December. And now the BMC chief has himself issued a note warning citizens of strict action if COVID norms are not followed. He has gone on to the extent of warning even the celebrities if rules are not followed. COVID situation in Mumbai remains grim and the festive season is going to test the administration. With camera person Samir Shandal, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.